Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty.
How to do an emboutte with Jacklyn Dougherty. So, embouttes are a traveling step, passing step. They're used as like kind of like to add like so the dancers are not just walking like pedestrians. It's to add a little bit flavor to the dance, give it like something, okay? So how to do them, okay? You either can do them in attitude devant or attitude derriere, okay? But I'm gonna do them at first attitude devant, okay? Embouttes. And now embouttes, all you do is you're keeping your turnout in your attitudes and you're changing, okay? That's all you're doing. Now you're taking a plie and you're going change, okay? This foot down here is staying nice and pointed at the whole entire time, okay? So you do a plie, change. The goal is to try not to have your upper body move so much. So this is supposed to be frozen and this is supposed to be looking going. Okay, that's how you do embouttes. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jacklyn. Please visit my website.